Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to set up your bulletin board for your class. So go ahead and log in using the Parish Episcopal School myschoolapp.com, which by the way I went ahead and added to my bookmark, so it's up here so you can click on the three lines. If you're in Chrome, say bookmarks, bookmark this page, and then I just drug it to where I wanted to on the page. The default setting when you get here is My Day, which I promise you when school starts we'll actually have your schedule here. It's not showing because we don't have any classes. So again, to get to your classes you have to do the roundabout way until school starts. You're going to go Resources, Group Finder, All Year, and then I'm going to do a class I haven't already done yet, otherwise it's no fun. So I'm going to choose my Ceramics 1 class. I click on here and you notice it looks like nothing. And that's because I haven't done anything. So the default when you come here is your bulletin board, which is just kind of like the welcome page. So you want to click Enter Edit Mode. And then you'll see this. And it kind of gives you a default setting. Now the first thing you want to choose is this, your layout. And this relates to how your boxes of information will be displayed. Okay, I like this one with the two columns and the top bar. It's really up to you, but once you go for it, you kind of have to stick with it. Okay, so I'm going with this. Now here's the thing, these are your options over here on the left, and over here on the right are the things. Right now it looks like everything's placed in my header, that top little skinny bar. But you'll see down here, see how it's light blue and then turns gray and light blue and turns gray? That's my left little column on the bottom and my right fatter column. So we want to move syllabus, for example, down here. See how that little jagged line shows up? That means I've moved it there. And then if I want to do announcements, I can drag it down here. Okay? This is my big box. If I want to put more stuff, I probably want to put it in this big box. Now before you go crazy, you want to know that how it looks here is not really how it's going to look on the end, which is a little mind-boggling, but don't worry, you have this preview button. So click on the preview, and I have nothing because I haven't actually put any stuff in the boxes yet. So if I want to put news, I need to say add, and I click add here, and then I'm going to say welcome. And I don't care who wrote it, and I'm going to say, welcome to ceramics, blah, 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 right? And then a long description, I could write a whole bunch of stuff. And I just say save. Great. Now for syllabus, I can just click add, and I can write syllabus, and I can add a file. I don't know what I'm going to add. Let's just put this one here. Great. Now I'm going to save it. Now announcements and a lot of these things have a date parameter, and it's really important when you choose a date parameter, otherwise that information will be there forever. So if I want to say, I don't know, hello again, and my announcement is bring your syllabus. That's not going to be super relevant after the first couple days, so I don't want it on there forever. So look at my expiration date is September 1. I don't want to keep it there forever. If you'll notice down here at the bottom, there's a chance to add this to another class. You can click here and add it to another class. I only have one section of Ceramics 1 this trimester, so that's not really relevant to me. I have noticed that if you already have two sections of a similar class, it'll automatically choose this, which is awesome. Make sure you choose save. Great, now we're going to do preview. Look, that's what it looks like. Still a little bland, but you can always go back and add pictures and other things. A new thing I found out is if you click here on this little wheel, you can actually change it from saying new. So you can say welcome twice if you want to. So look, I say welcome, and I go preview. Whoo! And it says welcome twice now. Look at that. Fancy. Each different kind of category you have has different things you can do. The only other frustrating thing is that you can only do one of certain things, like text boxes you can only do one of. So please think and plan appropriately so that you can use your space the best of your ability. This is a great place to add photos. Let's see what I got. Nothing. This is JPEG. Great. And then I'm going to say save. Preview. Look, I have pictures. Okay, there's lots of other things you can do. Look at all these choices. So you can embed a YouTube video, which is pretty cool. I did on one of my other ones. You can have photos, links, your rubric. The best thing to do is look at the options when you click and add, and then just see how you can make it work for you. Make sure at the end that you publish layout changes right here. Otherwise, it doesn't go live. I hope that helps. Thanks.